Scientific and technical development and application of innovative ideas into practice are the driving force of economy and social growth of the European Union, and it is closely related to environmental problematics. All of these topics are within the PTT-RenEnergy project. The project is focused, from our side, on optimal use of renewable sources of energy in buildings. In times when prices of all energies are growing, the PTT-RenEnergy project is trying to give a new impulse to private and public investors, to small and medium-sized companies as well as developers, to invest in technologies and buildings using renewable energy sources. We prepared project documentation which is dedicated to renewable energy sources in chosen low-energy building for accommodation as well as for commercial use. The documentation was put through a computer energy analysis, and we counted the life cycle costs of the designed buildings, and we also created their energy certificate. It is not a catalogue of items for low-energy houses. We cooperated with our foreign partners while working on the part of the project focusing on use of renewable energy sources for heating and electricity. The cooperation with all partners was not only good but also very contributing.
It was very good. All partners make a strong effort in order to reach the goals in a very short project time. It was very useful for us because there were solutions presented in other regions, like energy efficiency in buildings, that Czech Republic project. We can apply this in our region, and we can use the knowledge generated by them.
We are currently presenting the results of the project to building companies, project offices and investors that are interested in it. To put the results into practice, that means reaching one of the targets of the project, which is to transfer technologies needed to small and medium-sized companies. The meaning of the project is to connect science and development with company environment. The factual outcome is a project documentation for a terraced house, an apartment house, and reconstruction of a panel house as low-energy houses. All these houses have a drawn-up certificate of energy efficiency and analysis of production of harmful emissions and waste, including an evaluation of its entire life cycle. The Czech Republic and states of the former Eastern Bloc run behind because low-energy building and passive houses are a common building standard in the rest of developed Europe. I expect that the potential for building companies and investors is big because, as I believe, it will lead to the same outcome as in the rest of Europe. It will become a standard, but in the beginning of it all, it will need some financial injections from the state. Because we believe that it is necessary to help this matter and start not only the discussion about low-energy buildings, but also help the project to get to the investors so the building can start. Because the potential is big, but so far we only talk about it and there is not much prepared. However, regarding the apartment buildings and family houses, the standardized project is ready to be put into practice and start the building according to